I'm Arnie with Speed Gems, and I'm out here with Bob, who's the founder of Speed Gems, and he has an engine room here. I'd like him to kind of walk through and show our customers and our fans the engine room.
Well, this is kind of my hobby. Some people collect coins, some people collect stamps. I collect kind of cool old motors. This is a pretty rare 337 Lincoln with Edmunds heads and a custom-made stack injection. And right next to that is a 346 Cadillac flathead. We've got a 320 cubic inch, yes, you heard that right, 320 cubic inch 302 Jimmy motor. It started out as a military motor. Ran that in a dyno and it made really good torque. At 3,000 RPM, it was coming down from 400. So it had over 400 foot-pounds of torque below 3,000 RPM. I want to put this thing into a car. That thing's gonna rip. And next to that, got an old 37 Packard V12. Cost, $40,000 to build this motor. And now, and today, that was then. Today, it could have been 60. It's ridiculous what it costs. Here we got a tri-powered Ford 390. And one thing you might want to notice is all these engines that you're seeing on this video, they all have Speed Gems adapters on it. And the reason why is I used to take these motors around with a semi and all the shows. Small block Ford with, this is actually to a flathead tranny. And then of course we got the flathead and the Model A to Chevrolet. A couple different versions of the Oldsmobile. 324 and I believe that's a 371. It's got the ultra high compression on it. I always loved that. And we got the old GMC 702. Yeah, they did make it. I didn't put it together. Got proof. Factory made motors. It's 60 to 65. Made less than 10,000 of them. There are a couple of Hemis. One's a 56 Chrysler, and the other one, that's a 356. And then this one is that's a 291 DeSoto. Some of these that we're looking at here are rebuilt. Both of these have been rebuilt. The Lincoln's been rebuilt. Some of the other motors we make kits for. That's a Ford 5.4 Lightning motor. I figure if you're going to show off an adapter, use the coolest version of the motor. These are bone stock motors. That's a 1956 Cadillac Eldorado motor. They had 345 horsepower with 365 cubic inches back in 1956. That's not bad. Here we got a 1965 425 Buick motor, stock dual 4 out of a Riviera. And then we got our kit going to the 5.7 Hemi. We have different versions of that kit. We sell them for the big elephant motors too. The 6.4s and the 6.2 supercharged. And of course we got this kit to turn the 3800 front wheel drive engine north-south. Turn it from east-west to north-south. And I actually put one of these into a Fiero. And everybody that's seen the movie Cars, well, this is the motor that would have been in the car that Paul Newman's did the voiceover for. This one's out of a 55 Hudson. Now, here we got the original 327 4-barrel. Notice that's a straight 8 flathead. Well, Packard made that. They're the first 327 4-barrel. Fireball straight 8. And you notice it's got the dual carbs, so that means it's pre-war. You can see these mounts right here. That means it's a 48 or newer motor, so you can see I put the dual carbs on a newer motor. That's that.